So, hi team, good morning and good evening and good afternoon. So, thanks everyone for joining our interview preparation. So, quickly brief about our trainings. Okay, so today is our interview preparation session. So, let us explain me. So, what is our process? What is about the today's session? Okay, so today is it will take a 2 hour session, 2 to 2.5 hour sessions. In between, we'll have the 5 minutes of break. Okay, so let us explain ourselves. I'm from VKC trainings. So I'm Krishna. So working as a senior technical lead developer. So from the past 6 years onwards, we are into the trainings. So our trainings are ReactJS, Angular, Python, .NET. So these are the 4 areas. Okay, these are the 4 areas. So let us explain about ReactJS. So the current batch of ReactJS is going to end by today. So current batch is going end by today. So maybe one more session will be there. So end of the sessions, at the beginning of the session, we'll have the free sessions. Okay. So it is a good opportunity. You can able to revise the subject. So how to utilize this React.js in the real-time oriented. So how to use this React.js in the real time. Next, what type of questions in the interview will ask. So what type of answers you should be given. Okay. So out of 100 members, if interview call for the 10 members, 10 members will give the answer. But why company has to select you? Okay. So we'll discuss everything. Okay, so let me explain 2 minutes about our React.js training. So next Wednesday, 23rd, we are going to be start a new batch. If you are interested about our batch, you can able to come for 2 to 3 days demo. Okay, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you come for the demo. Okay, so once you are happy and you want to get this type of real-time subject, please join the sessions. The course duration is the 2 months. 2 months. Okay, so 2 months in this React.js, what we will cover, right? So we will cover design and coding. Okay, two things we will cover. So design means HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Sir, I know HTML, CSS, no need to worry. So today I will show you what you know, what I know. So what type of the real time is expecting. Yes or no? So our students know that one. Okay, so here we are having the regular batch students and old students and new members are there. Okay, so without using the Bootstrap, we can able to do magics using the CSS also. One or two small things. Okay, to creating a pop-ups, creating a resolution oriented dashboards will show you. Next coding part, we will cover JavaScript, JSX, React.js, Redux, and plus libraries. Sir, what type of libraries? Okay, so you are working on the real-time project. You are having the hundreds of control. Can I able to get all the controls data in a single step? Okay, so every time if we are asking the question how to get a control data, the student answer is, sir, use the document.getElement by ID. Somebody saying about use the use state. Okay, so next, if you are using the use state, how to use the onChange function. OnChange is the use state. Okay, so next somebody asking, say like use the Redux. Somebody saying about use reducer. Can we still sort out? Yes, single step we can able to get the multiple data. Next, validations. So all these things our students know. Validations. So our validations we can able to do in a single step. So lot of libraries are there. Lot of libraries are there. Okay, so all these things plus real-time project. So what type of real-time project Krishna will teach us, see here. Okay, this type of real-time project. So with all operations, so dashboard. Okay, so this is one shade of application. So next, one more shade. So every batch will take a new application. So last batch I have taken the healthcare domain. So earlier we are taking the real estate domain, insurance domain. Okay, so number of things are there. So including filters. Okay, so number of things. Okay. So 5 to 7 modules I will teach you. So remaining modules I will give the students to be implemented. Okay, Next, mobile oriented development also. As a web developer, you want to develop only web application or mobile oriented. So you need to develop a mobile oriented also. Okay. If I want to develop a mobile oriented, what I need to know, just CSS is enough. Yes or no? CSS and Bootstrap. So what and all the CSS we'll discuss in detail. Okay. So this is about our course. So from my side, I will give the 100% effort to teach the student. So just add your 100% effort. Have a 2 months. That's it. We are having plenty of openings in the ReactJS. You will get the job. Okay. Hope everybody know. Okay. So everybody out of 40 members, you are interested here, online plus offline members. So you are interested for the ReactJS. Okay. Why you are interested? We are having too much of openings. Nowadays, the freshers also learning the ReactJS. Clear? So any doubts? Just text in our WhatsApp. Everybody having my number, right? That is my direct number only. You can able to text me or call me. Okay. So our sessions like interactable sessions. If you have questions anytime, you can able to ask me. Okay. But if we are asking here, the session may be deviate. So it will take instead of the 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Right? So we'll do one thing. If you have the questions, so do one thing. Text your questions in the WhatsApp. Okay. So we'll connect you. Whatever the doubts you are having, we'll solve. Clear? Next. It's end of the session, we will meet you. Okay. So let us have 1.5 hour session and we'll have the 5 minutes break. At that time, I will discuss with the student. Okay. Remaining can go for the break. Clear? So this is about our structure. So the target of you to be have a specific time, get the job. Okay. So let us start with the ReactJS interview preparation. So what is the ReactJS? So everyone please answer. What is the ReactJS? While you are answering, you please unmute yourself if you want to answer and then mute yourself after the answer. So what is our ReactJS?
ReactJS is a library to
JavaScript
develop.
library.
So ReactJS is a
Library.
JavaScript library
so it's a JavaScript library.
for creating user interfaces.
Okay. So our ReactJS is the JavaScript library to develop. So anybody
User
wants the
inter-
running notes, you can able to take it. Or else today's video series is the public. Okay. So you can able to access from the VKC trainings YouTube channel. Okay. Even you can able to get a few other interview series and a few other series also. Okay. So JavaScript library to develop what type of applications? To develop dynamic web applications. Okay. Web applications. So how many types of web applications are there? So our web applications are okay. So before saying about the types of web applications, how many types of applications are there? There are 2 types. One is the web oriented application. The second one is the mobile. Sir, you are having the Amazon website, right? Amazon website. So Amazon website is there as well as Amazon app is there. So app is nothing but that is the mobile based application. App. It is a app. It's a app. So to develop a web application, we are using the ReactJS. To develop a mobile application, what we need to use? React Native. So React Native. So these are the 2 things. Okay. So now tell me how many types of web applications are there? How many types of web applications are there? So web application types are 2 types.
Dynamic.
So static
And
and dynamic. So static in the
Sir,
sense. Yes, please.
your voice is breaking, sir.
It's for everyone.
No, sir.
Can you hear me?
Clear is there.
Clear?
Yeah.
So static and dynamic applications. So any application in the nature, there are 2 types, static and dynamic. Static means if you develop an application using only HTML, CSS. So here static plus JavaScript is nothing but a dynamic web application. Hope everybody is clear. So our ReactJS is what type of application? ReactJS is Dynamic web application. Sir, what is mean by dynamic? User able to interact. So user able to interact. So it's a theory. So let us see it. So how to create a React.js? So how to create a React.js application? So what is the folder structure of React.js application? In this folder structure, once you are in the company, what type of folders you need to be create? Yes or no? You should be create some folders like a component folders, service folders, shared folders, assets folders, different folders you need to be create. So what should be the architecture of a real-time application? Next, so what are the pros and cons? And so you should be take it to create a project. We'll see by creating a project. Clear? So two things. Once a project we will create and we'll see about a folder structure and we'll create as a real time what type of the folder structure. So in this folder we'll create some components. Hope everybody know that one. Components are the two types. Okay. From this component we'll see the life cycle. Next we'll see about HTML questions, JavaScript questions, React questions practically. Everybody's clear? Okay.
Yeah.
So let us start it. How to create a project? Okay. First select a folder. So remember one thing in the real time, please don't create a folder with the spaces. Okay, for example, I want to develop some interview preparation. So is this a perfect format? No. So if you observe companies names also almost simple name. Facebook single name, Flipkart, Amazon, HCL, TCS. Okay, but these are the service HDS, CS. So just observe most product don't have the two names. There is some other logic behind it, but our intention is okay. So don't give space. So interview preparation for R12. Okay, create a folder. So from this folder, okay. So from this folder, we need to create a React application. Okay, React application. So what is the syntax to create a React.js application?
npx create app.
npx space create React app and your application name. Give me a good application name. So give me good application name. Anybody? Give me good application name. We'll see that flow. I will give the business rules if you're giving that application what you are expecting. So each application will have some business. Pardon? So see here. This is my healthcare domain. Say have some business rule. If you're able to give the application name, I will give the business rules also. Somebody saying something?
Interview blog.
Cool Joni.
No. Give the realistic.
Project
Different
name.
name.
Huh? Give me anybody, any real-time project.
ReactJS.
My React project name.
No. So that is a
E-commerce.
so anybody, your working project name. So for example, healthcare domain. For example, insurance. For example, retail, real estate. We'll see products. Okay.
Dashboard app.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Your voice completely breaking.
Venkatesh.
No, sir, it's clear.
Clear? Okay. Is it clear, Rohit? Still it is breaking. Are you clear?
It's clear, sir.
Clear. Okay. Thank you. So maybe whoever having the issue, please rejoin. Okay. So funny, Venkatesh, and please, our student, please let me know anybody having the breaking. Otherwise, please inform. It's clear. Okay. So let me create a project called products. Okay. If you want to give any project, I can able to create. Can I go?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Go
Fine.
ahead.
So this is the command. So take it a command. npx
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ.
get
I can't.
react app. Okay. So what will happen? So what are the pre-requirements of React?